So to start with, we are going to make Ras el Hanout. It is a Moroccan spice mix, and this is pretty, it's like, it kind of translates to the top shelf for the best spices. So for this, we are going to have 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And of course, this could be done with whole spices. This is the easy method with spices already ground. Here's 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom and 2 teaspoons of mace. And that was the 2 teaspoon group. Now the 1 teaspoon group, we will begin with allspice. That a spice that we didn't buy in bulk. It's actually in its own jar. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. Some turmeric. Coriander, nutmeg.
Is there anything left in the cupboard?
Oh yeah, there's lots more. And black pepper. And then for the half teaspoon group, we have cayenne, and a 1/4 teaspoon group cloves. They can get overpowering, so 1/4 teaspoon is going to be plenty. And that, all you do is mix this up, and that is Ras el Hanout, and this can last in a jar in your spice cupboard for a long time.